Welcome to Evan's Gardening on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to be giving you an update on my thornless blackberry bushes and showing you how to protect them from the birds. I hope you enjoy. So there's loads and loads of green berries all on the bush. You can see one of them still in blossom. I think the blossoms are really lovely and the fruit is very delicious. Oh, seagull fun. So obviously, as the name says, these are thornless, so obviously the bush doesn't grow any thorns on its stem. And now here is how to protect the crop from the birds, especially the seagulls. So here I've got some netting. I use this every single year, so it's the same size. So I've got a few hooks up there. They have got a few lights on them, but I just use the hook. So that's the net all hung up. So that'll protect these lovely blackberries from the birds. And now I use some pegs to hold the bottom of the net down. So I push the pegs into the pots, a few hooks. So these blackberries are going to be perfect for when they crop. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.